St. Patrick's Church, one of the oldest churches belonging to the Archdiocese of Bangalore. Located in a prime area of the city, today it is a flourishing parish in one of Karnataka's busiest districts, surrounded by other institutions that serve the community in a wide variety of ways. In July 1841, the foundation for St. Patrick's Church was laid. The church was built within a time period of 3 years and 6 months, which was by the end of the year 1844. The church was dedicated to the honor of the Blessed Trinity under the name of the Blessed Virgin Mary and the Archangel Michael, and was known as the Church of the Assumption. But even before it was completed, it came to be known as St. Patrick's Church due to its popularity with Irish troops stationed in the surrounding areas. Its construction was a saga of faith in God and personal effort on the part of her builder, namely Father Jacques Henry Gerhardt, the then Roman Catholic chaplain for the British troops and the first parish priest of the church. The church, which had no steeples as yet, was part of the Mysore diocese, and Bishop Charbonneau of Mysore made it his cathedral in 1845. In 1891, Father M. Tarbert became chaplain of the troops and the parish priest of St. Patrick's Church. Having opened the school and orphanage, he then set about rebuilding the church between 1894 and 1899, adding, among other things, a pair of steeples to give us the church as it now stands today. The church was consecrated as the Cathedral of the Mysore Diocese on the 12th of November 1899 by Bishop Kleiner. The Third Eucharistic Congress in India was held here, and bishops were consecrated here on 28 October 1922. In 1940, Bangalore was erected as a separate diocese, and St. Francis Xavier's became the cathedral church. On the advice of the Diocesan Council, Bishop Despatches of Mysore asked the Pope for permission to make St. Patrick's a canonical parish with personal jurisdiction for Europeans, Goans, Konkans, and Parsis who are staying in the parishes of St. Mary's and Sacred Heart churches. Permission was granted, and the personal jurisdiction continued till the early 1960s. Thereafter, St. Patrick's became a territorial parish like its neighbors. The church was further renovated in 2000 AD. It can now comfortably accommodate 550 people. The strength of the parish is around 3,500, but its central location makes it attractive to the faithful from all parts of Bangalore, as well as visitors who are spending only a short while in the city. The century-old structure was further renovated in 2012 by Father Sagianathan with the assistance of artisans from Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. For the first time, the entire outward structure was replastered, and the resplendent Gothic beauty of this glorious church was meticulously restored. The entire premise was beautified with interlocking cement blocks.